Hello, Guten Tag. Welcome to this little video which is going to show you how we use spreadsheets to model the world around us. What do we use spreadsheets for? Who uses them and why? First example here. This is a scientific application. This data here has been collected onto a PC from scientific data logging equipment. There's a fair bit of it, about 12 hours worth, recording the outputs from various sensors. By using charting techniques, we can chart the different channels that have been recorded, and we can look in detail at certain results to understand the equipment that is under test, to understand how it performs at different temperatures. These happen to be gas detectors. So that is one application of spreadsheet. Here's a simpler and perhaps more entertaining example of financial planning. Here is my car. I have a part-time job and there are some car parts that I'd like to buy. I'd like to buy a roll cage, shaded headlights, a cold air intake, BC coilovers and a 2JZ swab. This is going to cost me money and I need to know, because I'm lazy, what's the smallest amount of work that I can do each month to afford all these nice extras? So here I've got this repeating figure of income from my part-time job. If I take that down to £50 a month, and I just correct this figure there just to make the spreadsheet work, it looks like some of these expenses are going to put me into overdraft at certain times of the year, and it's going to be a miserable Christmas because in December I'm going to be £300 in debt. So I need to earn a bit more money. So perhaps I should try and earn £75 a month. Just make my little correction there. And things are looking slightly better, and at least at Christmas, although I'm not rich, I'm not poor either. Let's go up to £100. Things are looking an awful lot better. But there are still some problems. Should I buy these shaded headlights in April? Well, what happens if I actually decide to buy those in November? I'll delete that there. Suddenly, there's only one point in the year when I actually go overdrawn, and this point here when I'm sort of £0, and that is actually looking considerably better. And that's just by moving the purchase of the BC coilovers to later in the year. And so by using this, I've been able to predict how much I can afford and when. If I do £125 worth of work a month, it's green all the way. Okay, and here's a chart here to graphically demonstrate all the things that have been happening. So that's good as well. If I go back down to £100 a month, and this debt here, is there anything that I can do about that without having to work a bit more? And possibly, yes, there is. If I move this down to this month here and delete that, and then I've just got £50 of a problem there. So I'm not quite in the green, but I'm doing better. Thanks for watching.